Here we go. Here we go. Going backwards. Brace yourself. You hold on. You're like Mater. Can you sound like Mater? Oh, this road is so rough. I think you're gonna go faster on your skates because you feel now that when you skate you're slower. Look, oh, this is so fast. This is what the speed skaters are doing. This is how fast they turn. Speed skaters, this is how fast they go.